Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Jeet Ki Pathshala. So today we are going to cover correct tense form of verb where I have solved the question from 2011 to 2020. So here you will find the solved question with the explanation. And if you have not watched the previous video of correct tense form of verb, then you can watch that by clicking the I button given above. So let's start it. So we will start from 2011 and the first question is, we know each other for 5 years. So I want to repeat it again, the same thing as I have been repeating in the last videos, that you can pause the video after each question and solve the answer. And then you can check the answer which I have given you. That will make you understand the things properly. So the first question, we know each other for 5 years. So here, for 5 years, it indicates period of time. So yes, whenever it indicates period of time, the answer will always be in present perfect continuous tense. So the answer will be, we have known each other for 5 years. But yes, one thing I want to tell you, this answer is expressing present perfect continuous form, but there are some words, as I have already explained in the previous video, that with some of the word we do not put ing. That means we don't use as the continuous form. So here in this case we have the word know, where we will not mention the continuous form. So this question will be written as present perfect tense. So that's the answer. We have known each other for 5 years. Now let's see the next question, and that is, the other day I meet a magician in the bazaar. So the other day, it means few days ago, which indicates past tense. So the answer will be, the other day I met a magician in the bazaar. That is, we have changed it into past indefinite form. Now let's move on to the next year, 2012. So the first question of 2012 is, she said that she will help her friend. And here you have said, as this is in the form of indirect speech, she said that she will help her friend. So obviously whenever you have the word said, that means the reporting verb said, then the verb takes the second form. So the answer will be, she said that she would help her friend. So now let's move on to the next question, and that is, the boys play in the garden when the tree fell down. So here you have the word when. So whenever you have the word like when, while, as, the sentence will be in past continuous form. So this answer will be in past continuous form. It will be, the boys were playing in the garden when the tree fell down. So now let's move on to the next year, and that is 2013. So the first question of 2013 is, I wish I be a king. So as I have already explained in the last videos, that whenever you have the word like I wish I or if I, in that case remember that the verb in the bracket will take the second form, and the answer will be, I wish I were a king. Now let's move on to the next question, and that is, the boy sleep, don't disturb him. So this actually indicates something that is happening in the present time. Don't disturb him. That means whenever you find this kind of word, don't disturb him, remember the sentence will be in present continuous form. So the answer will be, the boy is sleeping, don't disturb him. Now let's move on to the next year, and that is 2014. The first question is, she read a book when I saw her. So I hope till now many of you are clear with this kind of sentence, isn't it? So we have the word when. Of course, whenever you have the word when, that means the sentence will be in, yes, past continuous form. So the answer will be, she was reading a book when I saw her. Now let's move on to the next question, and that is, she be a teacher since 2002. So here again you have the word since, which indicates point of time, and this sentence expresses present perfect continuous form. So the answer will be she has been a teacher since 2002. Okay, now let's move on to the next year, and that is 2015. So the first question is, the bell rang after we finish our work. So here we have repeated many of the similar questions, isn't it? So this is also a similar question which we have done in the previous video also. So here you can say that the word after is there. That means whenever you have the word like before, after, the sentence will be in past perfect tense. So the answer will be, the bell rang after we had finished our work. So now let's move on to the next question, and that is, please ring me up as soon as they come. This sentence expresses present indefinite form. That means present tense. Please ring me up as soon as they come. So the answer will be, please ring me up as soon as he comes. Here you have the word as soon as, so it indicates present tense. Let's say the next question of 2016, and the first question is, it is time we go to bed. Here you have the word it is, and yes, when you have the word it is, that means the verb will be in second form. So the answer will be, it is time we went to bed. Next question, she behaves as if she knew everything. Here you have the word as if, which tells us that the sentence will be in past indefinite form. That means the verb in the bracket will be second form of verb. So the answer will be, she behaves as if she knew everything. Now let's move on to the next year, 2017. The first question here is, if it rain, we shall not go out. Whenever you have a sentence in future tense, then remember the verb in the bracket will be in present indefinite form. That means you will change it into first form of verb. So the answer will be, if it rains, we shall not go out. Now let's say the second question of 2017, and that is, we know each other for the last 10 years. So here again you have the word for the last 10 years, which indicates period of time, and yes, this tells us that it will be in present perfect continuous tense. But as I have already mentioned, with no you will not use ing. That means this sentence will express present perfect continuous form, but while writing you will write in present perfect tense. So the answer will be, we have known each other for the last 10 years. Now let's move on to the next year, 2018. The first question here is, if I be you, I would not have called him again. So now here you have in the second sentence, you can see that you have the word would have. It's not, it would not have. So whenever you have the word would have, could have, should have, remember the verb in the bracket will be had, been, or had plus third form. Okay, so the answer here will be, if I had been you, I would not have called him again. Now let's move on to the next question of 2018, and that is, the principal is not in his room, he go out. So here very easily you can see that here this first sentence is in present tense. So when the first sentence is in present tense, that means the other sentence will also be in the present form, but it will be in present perfect tense. So here the answer will be, the principal is not in his room, he has gone out. Now let's move on to the next year, and the first question of 2019 is, they live in Delhi for 10 years. So as we are repeating the similar type of question, I hope till now you are very much clear with what kind of tense we will write in this sentence, isn't it? So here for 10 years indicates period of time, and yes, it will be in present perfect continuous form. So the answer will be, they have been living in Delhi for 10 years. Now let's say the next question, and that is, when he came, it be all over. So here you have the word when. So yes, it will be in the continuous form, that is past continuous form. But remember, here will not put ing as there is be. So it will change into was or were. So of course it, that means the singular form, it will be was. So the answer will be, when he came, it was all over. So now let's move on to the next question, and that is, please stay here until you return. So you have the word until. So whenever you have the word until, unless, it expresses future tense. So the sentence will be in future indefinite form, and the answer will be, he will stay here until you return. Now let's move on to the year 2020, and the first question is, I go there before she went. Here you have the word before. So before, after, it tells us that the sentence will be in past perfect tense. So the answer will be, I had gone there before she went. Now let's move on to the next question, and that is, 10 years passed since I met you last. So till now, I hope that many of you have already understood it. What can be the answer, isn't it? So we have the word since, which express point of time. So yes, the answer will be in present perfect continuous form. But remember, we will not use past as a continuous form. So this sentence will be in present perfect tense. So the answer here will be, 10 years have passed since I met you last. And let's say the last question of 2020, and that is, when she came, I write a letter. So we have the word when, which tells us that it will be in the past continuous form. And the answer will be, when she came, I was writing a letter. So that's all for today, students. And if you have any queries regarding this topic, you can just write down in the comment section. And I hope it will help you a lot. So please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching the video.